Hi guys, I am back with my new video. Topic of today's video is scorpions and graphology. Before I start with today's topic, please note the traits that I am going to mention next are few in general traits, not necessary that every scorpion will have all of these traits. Scorpion may or may not have any or all the traits that we are going to discuss next. Now let's see strengths and weakness of scorpions. Scorpions are clever, emotional, honest and observant. They generally don't have any filter while speaking. Their habit of being brutally honest in communication often leads to problems in relationships. Betrayal hits scorpions very hard. They are one of the sweetest signs until hurt or betrayal turns them into altogether different person. If you have hurt a scorpion badly, be ready to take that back, as it's really tough for scorpion to let go or forgive someone easily. So basically, scorpions needs to learn to overcome three main challenges. First is not being too honest while speaking. Second is learning the art of letting go of grudges, and third is controlling their anger. Now let's first see how to make a scorpion bit softer in communication with help of graphology. Right, a hosty stem touches the baseline bluntly without any curve towards right are the ones who are a bit harsh. If you want to be softer in communication, then make a practice of using T with the right tick mark in image. Second way of becoming bit softer in communication is by adding touch of diplomacy with the help of graphology. To add this trait of diplomacy, write M in such a way that its first hump is bigger than second hump as shown in image. Next comes how to let go of grudges or art of letting go with graphology. People who have hooks at the starting of alphabets are the ones who hold on to grudges of past. Those who have hooks would not be able to let go of negativity, nor would they be able to forgive others easily. We have to forgive others for our own peace of mind and not for the one who hurt us. So we need to stop making hooks in the initial of alphabets to let off negativity of past and being able to forgive others for their mistakes easily. Image here shows alphabets with hooks and alphabets without hooks. Last and final trait of scorpion that needs to be taken care of is anger. As scorpion is not able to let go of her grudge, this grudge turns into anger. And anger any day is not a good trait to have. I have already created video on anger management. Do check out link in description. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my videos if you do not want to miss out on any of my new videos. To get done with detailed analysis, contact me at tawaniparekh1985@gmail.com.